One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. Automotive Buyers Club, here's our limo. Problems. So it's set at the interior shop after the paint shop, because between the two things, something happened at one of the places. We don't know which place, and neither person says anything happened on their watch. So fine. Basically, we got the top fixed. That's what matters, right? The top's fixed. However, during the stay, when we were cleaning it, we noticed this. I don't know if you can see that. There's a spot and it's dry. You honestly could almost scrape the paint off. And then just because it's been so long, this part started taking on a little stuff. Man, I can't sell it like this. This here started spreading into here, and this has to be fixed a little. And the main thing is, basically, right here, and somewhere in here, but the main spot is right here. I don't know if you can see that. Someone egged the car and another car that was sitting there. And you can see that spot right there. And that's what we're dealing with. All kinds of cars for sale. So I'm taking it back to the paint shop over at David's now, and he's gonna get it all done. I've got to get a jack to take with me. We'll make it. And there goes my camera. We got the trunk latch repaired, so that's good. And I was gonna get the gate, but I actually dropped my camera. Mercedes wagon sold. Probably these two limos will come up at the same time. As a matter of fact, that limo has been done for a little while, and we're ready to do it. Except for the fact of, I can't put this limo up when that one's been waiting for so much longer. We've done a lot of work on this limo. We've got a nice item here, and I've got to get those spots fixed, which means paint the whole hood. That's right, got to paint the whole hood and the whole deck lid. He's going to try to touch it up, kind of spray it and scuff it and buff it, and yeah, I don't know. Okay, well that's the update video. Thanks for watching. oneownercarguy.com on the way to the paint shop. Okay, so over here at the place, I'll give you another look at the stuff. And actually the 5.0s here, actually looking good. There you go, that's that. And a couple littler spots. And then this. And then the worst of it is this part on the hood. And you can see right there. I'm gonna put all these spots in it. It's just awful. It's awful. Mustang is looking pretty sweet though. Pony red, pony white. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Sweet as can be though. This is one nice Mustang. It's gonna be full sale. Got the cutlasses back here and stuff. And I wanted to show you on this side over here. Don't have the SL on the site yet. The guy that's detailing it just wants to drive it around and not sell it, I guess. Huh. But you need to buy that if you're interested in the SL. Hit me up. It's for sale. It's just fun to drive. This is for sale. I get you a deal on this Monte Carlo. David wants to sell it. And they just put these wheels on it because he had it lying around. It hasn't been all... Hi, kitty cat. Hi, baby girl. You girls are getting big. You're getting big. So, the cats are away. The mice are a play. And I won't show you the other side. It's been going pretty good. But wow, this thing throws a lot of light in here. It's not as light as it looks. Upstairs is looking good. Mario actually got this door for free. And he's like, dude, can we put this anywhere? I'm like, dude, right on the back of that house. We were thinking about putting it on the laundry. He actually figured out it would fit and la-da-da-da. So that's that. Cars everywhere, man. Cars everywhere. But I'm gonna go up here, show you the appliances came in. Nice appliances. Nice, all Samsung. All Samsung, baby. Cabinets are all in. Things are painted. Been painting, tiling, thermostating, all kinds of stuff. These bathrooms are looking good. Nice paint on the cabinets. This place is just clipping right along this time. Looking really nice. Doing more cabinet doors. And we did this one in black. Have the countertops in now too. Looks really good. I'm happy with the result. The sinks I got are hammered nickel. So that'll be fun. Yeah, whatever. That's the place. That's the stuff. After trying to catch up. Not doing a very good job of it. But I'll have a nice place to film here. It's all good. Tar paper. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. OneOwnerCarGuide.com. I'm going to clip this all together, clip it on out. Gunner's got the Mustang jacked up. We think there's a bad starter now. The auction today, there was a 87 E300D. Didn't really have a D on the thing, but it is a D. It's diesel, turbo diesel. 4 grand, 26,000 original miles. That thing was so sweet. So sweet. What the heck? Who's been having Super Sour Patch Kids here without me? What the heck? Yeah. We're gonna have to figure that out and get them to share. Okay, thanks for watching. OneOwnerCarGuy.com.